Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we'll talk about with cascades for migrations in Laravel. As we can see here in Laravel documentations, we have 6 types of cascading, 3 for updating and 3 for deleting here. And in my schema, I have created posts table and I will work with this column, foreign key column, user ID and its constraint. Let's start with the first one is cascade on update, which means I ask ChatGPT. It will change it automatically if the user ID changed also. For example, I have here a user has 3 posts, this one, right, has 3 posts. And if I change the ID to 2, it gives me an error, right? Now let's say cascade on update here, and I will remigrate it. Here same user ID number 1. If I change it to 2, refresh, automatically will be changed here also. I don't think I will use something like this actually. Let's move directly to updates 1, which is the most one that we know is cascade on delete, which means if I delete a user, its relation will be deleted also. If I back and say here cascade on delete, remigrate, refresh, user has 3 posts. If I delete it, posts also will be deleted, which means cascade on delete. Also, we have restrict on delete, which means please remove the relation first, then the main relation. In our case, we must delete posts first and then delete the user. If I use it here, migrate, refresh again, I will try to delete the user. As we can see here, it's on delete restrict, right? So first we need to delete posts firstly, and if I delete the user, will be deleted also. Good for best practice, right? The last one is null on delete. If you want to keep the data after deleting a user and setting its value to null, we can use null on delete. So I will say here null on delete, but don't forget to set it to nullable also. Nullable, let's make it before constraint to avoid errors. Nullable, remigrate, back and refresh. I will delete the user, then automatically this user ID will be null. As we can see here, null. You may use this data to check why it's deleted or make some processing for this data. So here's quickly how to use cascading on migrations for Laravel. If you found it useful, support me by clicking on like, share and subscribe. See you in next videos.